Hello and welcome to this new video when we're gonna talk about the first project we're gonna do and getting done when that cover arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, and linear programming. Make sure to check the videos where I talk about the arithmetic sequence and the geometric sequence. Okay, and the linear programming also. I will leave the links for the videos in the description. So without further say, let's get started. Let's get started. Here we have arithmetic sequence of monthly saving increase. Okay, so it's increased with the constant amount. Here we have the saving. It's consistent. We have saving of 1,000, and the monthly increase with 100 every month. Every month we have an increase of 100, and we want to know the total new value. Okay, so what we're gonna do is simple as it is here. Apply this. We're gonna select the savings plus the monthly monthly increase. Okay, then we're gonna press enter. We have constant amount of 1,000 all over 12 months. So we have saved this amount for 12 month period. The second we took the total new value and the second month of the same monthly increase of 100. That means 1,100 plus 100. Then we press enter. Then we can go all over this values. Of that means at the end we have a total value of 2,200. Now we're gonna move on to the geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, what we're gonna talk about? This amount of 2,200. We can invest it in two funds. Fund A growth at 2% per month, and Fund B growth at 3% per month. I'm gonna suppress this value so you can understand how we count this value in the geometric sequence. In the geometric sequence, when we calculate the geometric sequence, that means every month the new value applied to the next month. Okay, then we have the fund A growth at 2% per month. We have a common ratio of geometric sequence 1.02, 1.03%, 1.03. How we find this ratio of geometric sequence? That means the value 2,200 of multiplied by 1, which is the same, plus if we divide that is 1 plus 2%. That means 2,200 plus 2,200 multiplied by 1 plus 2,200 multiplied by 2%. It will give us 2,244. That value we become the reference for this, for second. Is 2,244 multiplied by 1.02. It will give us 2,288. Same here. I'm gonna generalize that. Generalize it. Okay. And the final value you will find that Fund A growth, if we invest all our money in the Fund A, where the growth per month is 2%, we will have the final value at the 12 month of 2,790. Okay, let's move on to the Fund A B growth at 3% per month. We have 2,200 multiplied by 1.03. It will give us the common. This is the common ratio of geometric sequence. It will give us 2,266. I'm gonna generalize that. Okay. No, let's calculate the value here. I'm gonna generalize that. That means at the end of 12 months we have a final value of 3,136. That means if you compare the fund B growth at 3%, of course it will give us a final value greater than the fund A, where growth is 2% per month. Now, to be familiar with geometric, with the linear programming, I'm gonna apply this to linear programming to see how we can distribute this the value between fund A and fund B, and give you a common conclusion that we can observe without linear programming, but to be familiar how we apply linear programming. Here we want to maximize our returns in the fund between fund A and fund B. That means 1.02 at the power of 12, because we have 12 months, which it will give us this value for the fund A, and the for fund B 1.03 at the power of 12, it will give us this value. Here we have the contract, the constraint, the constraints, which is where the value let's call x1 for the fund A, x2 for plus B. The distribution between them should be inferior to our first investment, which is 2,200. Of course, we have positive values. X1 is superior to 0, 0. The distribution for x1. X2, of course, it is superior to is a positive. We continue. We look for the direct solution. That means here for x1, for the value it will be 0. Okay, that means of course it is obvious that we should invest without any other constraints. We should invest our value, our first value, which is 2,200, and the fund B, where he grows at 3% per month. So that's it. It is simple and basic project for linear algebra that you should master. That combine arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, and the linear programming. We will talk about. We will apply. We will explain and apply this examples for multiple projects. So stay tuned. We will talk about multiple things later. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.